Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand how to split the dataset in neural network in KNIME. Neural networks use a wide variety of algorithms for training and making predictions, including backpropagations, gradient descent, and stochastic gradient descent. These algorithms involve adjusting the weights and biases of the neurons in the network based on the error between the predicted output and the actual output for a given input. During the training process, the neural network algorithm iteratively adjusts the weights and biases of the neurons to minimize the error between the predicted output and the actual output. This is done by propagating the error backwards through the network, updating the weights and biases of each neuron based on its contribution to the error. Now, how we can do this? Let's see in KNIME Analytics platform. First of all, I'll activate the input output node from here, from where I'll bring my dataset, which is a hard one. My request to viewers is kindly refer my previous videos to understand the flow of this tutorial. Click OK, right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and you can see the file table. The target variable is hard disk. Now, there are many variables in this data set and therefore I want to filter it. So I'll activate the column filter from here. Right click on it, configure. I transfer all the variables on left hand side, age, resting blood pressure, cholesterol, maximum hours of exercise, and heart disease are considered. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and you can see the filtered table. Now, all these variables are on different scales and therefore it is necessary to normalize them. And therefore, I will normalize it. Right click on it and configure. Three types of normalizations are available. We will use mean max normalization. Click OK. Right click on it and execute. Now, we will partition this data set or we will split this data set. So partitioning, right click on it, configure. 80% should be kept for training purpose and 20% should be kept for testing purpose. Use a stratified sampling to be done according to the hard disease target variable. Right click on it and execute. You can see in the first partition, 80% of the data will be there. And in the second partition, 20% of the data will be there. Now, 80% with the help of 80% data, we will train the neural network. So I'll activate the RPROP learner, which is a neural network learner. I click on it, configure. Don't change the default settings. Make sure that the class column, the target variable is hard disease. Right click on it and execute. After this, we'll have to activate the predictor, multi-layer perceptron predictor. So this predictor gets its learning from RPROP MLP learner, multi-layer perceptron learner, and I will connect this. So 80% goes for the training purpose, remaining 20% goes for testing purpose. Right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it. And you can see the classified data which is being generated. So this is the prediction according to the neural network algorithm and this is the raw data. Now we want to check how well the data fits, or rather how well the model fits to the data, and therefore we are using the classification accuracy. So I'll activate the scorer from here. Right click on it, configure hard disease to be compared with the prediction hard disease. Click OK, right click on it and execute. Again, right click on it and you can see the confusion matrix. Right, good. So 62 are such cases in which the person does not have the heart disease and the algorithm predicts correctly that the person does not have the heart disease. 79 are such cases in which the person has a heart disease and the algorithm also predicts correctly. So 79 plus 62 is 141. 141 are the correctly classified cases. So the classification accuracy is 76%. We talk about this. The person is having a heart disease, but the algorithm predicted no. And here the person does not have a heart disease, but the algorithm predicted yes. So 23 plus 20, 43 are misclassified or wrongly classified cases, and the error is 23%. So this is the way you can split the data set in KNIME. For more videos on KNIME, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on LinkedIn and Twitter. Please refer my playlist in which I already uploaded many videos on KNIME.